Myself, Dr. K.V. Shovananmurthy, working as Assistant Professor in Government Engineering College, Ramnagar. In this video, let's see the conversion of pictorial views into pictorial or isometric view into an orthographic views. Okay. For that, let's see this particular problem. So this is the problem. So draw the front view of the object as shown in figure 2.25. This is 2.25. Looking in the direction F, and also add left and top view. See, this is the isometric or pictorial view they had given. For this view, we are supposed to draw the orthographic view, front view, top view and left view. So as we already discussed in earlier videos, first we'll create 3D component of this one. From that, we will generate the ortho views. Let's start create the solid part of this one. Go to solid part, select protrusion, select this plane. See, first we'll create this part, second we'll create this one, and then the stiffness. Okay, for creating this one, this is of radius 50 and this circle, and this is of radius dia is given. Outer circle is radius 50 and this dia is 34, and this height is given from reference to here, it is 75. Okay, for that I will go for a distance of this midpoint 75. Enter. Fit. This distance is 75. Smart dimensioning. This is 75. Fit. See, from here to here it is 75. Here we will draw two circle. One is radius 50, another is dia 64. Dia 64. Enter. Fit. So there may be some problem. Delete this one. Select the end point 64. Is it 64? Here next is radius 50. Draw a circle. Radius is 50. Okay. Next, this is over. Then draw two lines. This is of 20, this distance is 25, this distance is 25, and this is 6. Okay. Okay. Let's go to symmetry. Symmetry will determine this line and this line. Then the distance between these two is 6. The distance between these two is 6. Okay. And then this time this is 25. This is also 25. Smart dimensioning. This is 25. this is 25. Okay, now fit. Now we'll trim these things. Trim. Set. Let's delete this line. Okay, now between these two distance it is 6. This is 25, this is 25, this is radius 32, this is radius 50. Okay, 25 25 6, radius 32 and radius 50. Now I will protrude for a distance of, this distance he has given 15 15 and 10, that is 40. Return. Symmetric extent for a distance of 40. 15 15 plus 10, 40. Enter. Finish. Fit. Okay, next is we will create this one. The center of this one will be at a distance of 100 from this center. Okay, for this one, and this is in the same plane. This plane and this plane are both are same. We'll create protrusion. Select this plane, or else let's create in this plane. Okay, or we'll create one parallel plane from here to here. Parallel plane for this one, and this side it is at a distance of 20. Okay, fit. Now protrusion, select this plane, fit. For creating this one, this is of circle 25 dia and 50 dia, and its distance is 100. Draw a line on this one, it is 100. Here draw a circle of dia 25 and dia 50. Dia 25 and one more circle of dia 50. Okay, diameter is 25 and diameter is 50, and its center distance is 100, and its protrusion distance is 48. Put small dimensioning 100. This is 50. This is 25. Okay, if you want, you can delete this line or return. It is distance is 48. Finish. Control T, stop view. Okay, because this is, you can observe here, this diameter is 40 and this diameter is 48. That's why this is 40 and this is 48. but here both are in the same plane. Control I. Now we'll create the stiffener. This is of 10 mm thickness, and this distance is 40. Okay. Protrusion. Select this plane. Fit. This is of 10 mm thickness. Draw the center. So diameter 50, and from this center draw 100, and there's a draw a line. Draw from this intersection, okay. Let's take symmetry, these two lines, and the distance between these two is 10. Okay, now we'll trim this one and this one, and this line is also not required. Okay, return. This protrusion distance is 40. See here, this is for a distance of 40. Finish. Okay, now we'll create this rib. Its thickness is 10. Now go to rib, select coincident plane. Before that, you can delete this front plane. Rib, coincident plane, select the mid plane, fit here, and this is this thickness is 10. It is tangent to this one. Here to tangent and intersection point. Return. Its thickness you can give it as 10. Enter. Finish. And you can mirror the same rib here. Go to mirror and smart mirroring. Select this one, accept, select the reference plane. This is my reference plane. Feature not constructed, could not identify valid feature. Okay, I'll do one thing, Control I, tools, edge bar, here select the rib, mirror, smart mirroring. Click on a plane or face or reference plane. This is not constructed, could not identify value volume 2. Okay, let's try once again. Mirror, click on plane or face. The first pattern option did not respond properly to the port. Control I. This one, mirror copy. Tools. Select the reference, set mirror copy. Click on the mirror bodies, edges, sketches. This is a feature, and select features to be included. This one accept. Escape. Feature not constructed, could not identify valid feature volumes to add the port. Edit feature inputs. Okay, I don't think. Or else we can it's not mirroring, we'll check it. Okay, see, for this one we'll create a mid plane here. Control I. For this one we will create a plane here. Okay, it is at the plane is at this particular, this one. This is at a distance of from the reference to here 75. Wait, go this one. Let's create a parallel plane here 75. Okay, now mirror this one, smart mirroring, accept, specify plane or face or reference, this one. Okay, finish. See, that's it. Control I. Now we do one thing, we can hide the planes and sketches. Okay, now this completes drawing. We have drawn 3D for drawing. Now we are supposed to draw the front view, top and left view. For this one we will save this file, save as. Let's save this as part 6. Okay. Okay, file, create drawing. Okay, next, front, customize the front. And this is our front. Yes, this is our front. Okay, front view, top view, left view and isometric view. Finish. This is front view, top view, left view and iso view. This is in A2 size sheet, but in examination, you people are supposed to give it an A4 size sheet. That's why I'll change setup to A4. Background is A4. Switch off. Size default A4 only. Okay. Now we'll fit our views to A4 size. Fit. Okay, now see, this is front view, this is top view and this is left view, or else you can see here also. Control F for front view, Control T top view, Control EL left view. Okay, now retrieve the dimensions. Okay, now this is first angle projection VP by HP. Let's take the reference line here. Now this is front view, this is front view, this is top view, and this is left view. This is front view, top view and left view. Using the text, you can type here VP, this is HP, this is okay, left view on right profile plane, this is RPP, right profile plane, left view. Okay, VP HP. Okay, because first angle projection VP by HP, front view, top view and left view on right profile plane. This is isometric view. Select, click on this one and update the view. Using the text, you can type here isometric view. Okay, this completes this is what ortho drawing from a pictorial view. In examination, you are supposed to give the printout of this particular sheet. As I said in the earlier videos, you can rename this as ortho drawing, and if you want, you can somewhere you can type your USN here. Don't write the name on the sheet. Okay, thank you.